day. How y'all doing today? I'm here today. Just going through a little dilemma, heartbreak. But I'm going to be okay. I know I haven't been posting last couple of days. Normally I have to post 2 or 3 videos. I haven't been. I apologize. You know, I'm back. And I got me some sneaky tinky. It's like a cocktail drink. I got some shrimp. See how big these shrimps are. I got some corn on the cob. And I got some fried mushrooms. Let's see the fried mushrooms. And I got some garlic butter sauce here. And I got some shrimp sauce, seafood sauce here. And this is some ranch right here. I don't know if you can see it. But I'm here today. Hope y'all having a glorious, blessed day today. Look how big these shrimps are. Aren't they big? Today I want to try the butter sauce, the garlic butter. This garlic butter shrimp dip is good. You know, down below, who likes fried mushrooms? Dip this in the ranch. Good. Look at this shrimp. I like this butter sauce. For $9.95 at Simply Seafood in Maryville, Indiana. And they good. I gotta excuse how I look. Y'all see my eyes dark. I haven't been getting that much sleep. When you get used to somebody, you know, for 5 years and they gone, it's an adjustment. And I'm trying to adjust. Give me some burps out of this. This Killer Punch style cocktail. Pineapple, coconut, and a hint of nutmeg. Got 9.9% alcohol in it. It's good. I don't know if I'm going to use that shrimp sauce. Oh, good. Mm. I don't know if y'all ever tried, quite sure, the garlic butter. It's good. And the shrimp. Wow, good. Sweet. Okay. Oh, boy. You know when you get used to somebody and, you know, it's all an adjustment. You know, when you truly love that person, it's adjustment of them not being there. And it's hard. It's not easy. Only thing you can do is let's work on it and try to get past it. Sometimes you hold on to things, hold on to people. And they don't love you like you love them. And when you actually hear it come out of their mouth, sometimes it devastates you. But it is what it is. The thing you do is take one day at a time and you learn from your mistakes. Or it only makes it harder on the next person. Or if you even want to deal with anybody else. But life is about lessons learned, life changes. But I guess to get back on my grind, I have to. Because I know y'all miss me. I miss doing my videos. I did one yesterday. With me and Light Bright. It's a little hard. Y'all pray for me. pray for my strength. Fried mushroom was good. There's a lot of strength. You butter lovers. Garlic is good. You see, I ain't even touched that shrimp sauce. Let me see what it do. That's good too. Only better than this garlic butter. I like that. I hope you don't hate my corn. It be good and juicy, but it gets stuck in between your teeth. And you try to be strong, and you fight it. To not to call that person, because you know if you call them, you're going to hurt. That's the hard part about it. Because you love them. When you love somebody unconditional, but you figure out they don't love you the same way. That's what really hurts. But life changes, brings on strength. Supposed to make you get stronger. Well, family, I love y'all. Y'all see my eyes, they puffy. I love y'all, and I'll be seeing y'all later. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Give a thumbs up and comment down below. Peace.